welcome to my channel. This morning I got up, I was gonna make my video. We are on day 9 of our decluttering challenge, but I wanted to make this salad real quick for you. It's a cold cut salad. I wanted to share it with you and some of my food saving tips real quick. Since I was gonna do it anyways, I thought I might as well film it before I started my day 9. So without further ado, this might help somebody. So what I did, this is a money saving tip that I do. I bought these big packages of lunch meat at Costco. I bought the ham and the turkey, and I always buy the roast beef because I make that with Richard's lunch. So it comes in, the turkey comes in like 3 packs of turkey meat. So what I did was I divided it up like with this ham. I got my food saver and I made a couple of different packages, and I'm going to freeze them so that they last longer and I don't have to eat it all at once and worry about it spoiling. So there's my little tip for today. So I was actually able to get 4 packages of lunch meat out of that. So I did 2 ham, and then I did 2 of the turkey breast, and plus what I have in the refrigerator. So for the salad that I'm making, this is a spin-off from this Italian cold cut salad that I've seen, but I don't have the salami and all the Italian meats. So it's more like a kind of like a chef salad, cold cut salad, whatever you want to call it. I got these bags. These were on sale at Stater Brothers, and so I got what I'm using. You can use any kind of lettuce that you like. This is the romaine lettuce. It has carrots and red cabbage in it. And then for more color, I like to add this spring mix, which it has the baby lettuce and the baby greens and stuff like that. And of course, I always like to add cilantro because I personally like cilantro. I know some of you don't, but it's really supposed to be good for getting metal toxins and stuff like out of your body. I was going to use this head of lettuce that I had in the refrigerator, but it had gone bad, so I'm using these bags that I got yesterday at Stater's, and I took that one out, the head of lettuce that was old, to the compost. So I moved my compost way out there, so even on the mornings I don't feel like morning walk, I'm always taking stuff out to the compost. So I am getting a few steps just by doing that. So let's get to the salad. I am going to mix a little bit of this and then some of this, and I'm drinking my tea. I try to get my liquids in every day. What I'm drinking today is this Crystal Light. Don't come at me, just let me, okay? Because I know the Crystal Light is not that great for you, but I grew up in the 70s, and one time this they claimed was the greatest thing on God's green earth. But yeah, it is. It's sugar-free. I like the taste of it, and I don't drink it. Probably 95% of the time I drink things that are better for me, but I know this has aspartame, so don't come at me. I don't do it all the time, but you do you, okay? I'm just showing you one way I'm getting my water in. So then I'm going to cut this cilantro up and wash it and add my green mix. I'll be right back. Since I was on a roll, I cut up some of my cilantro and sealed it up. I thought I'd show you what it looks like while it's sealing. So here's what it looks like after all the air is sucked out of it. I'm going to freeze this because I do use cilantro for a lot of recipes, and I grow cilantro, and I could kick myself in the butt because I didn't store it and freeze a bunch of it this year, but it was a busy year. But I did manage to pick my basil. This I grew. I dehydrated some of this basil, so we'll have this I'll have this in fresh seasoning for later. So here, so one thing I was going to say that I like about these is if you're traveling or if you're just in a hurry, these are thoroughly washed and ready to eat. Now, most times I wash them myself, sometimes I don't, even though it says that, but this is a good option if you need a salad really fast and you don't have time to wash it or something like that. If you're traveling or if you're staying at a hotel or something like that, this is a really good option. So next what I did is I chopped up some of the bigger pieces, like the spinach leaves are big. I like them a little bit smaller when I'm eating my salads. And I got my ingredients out to make my salad dressing. I like sunflowers on my salad, and I have ham, turkey, all the things I'm going to put on it, and all my ingredients to make the salad dressing. Doesn't that look delicious? We have our salad all done now. I'm going to take a bite. I got a little bit of almost everything. I don't have the cucumber in there, but I have a lot of this stuff in there. So I have the tomato and the olive oil and a piece of ham. So that is so good. So go make this. Try it. We'll see you next time. Bye.